Today we're gonna look at how to use no particle in Japanese. Stay tuned. What's going on, Bucks and Dos? This is Taiki and welcome to ShishiGoat. Today's video we're gonna look at no particle. In this channel I talk about Japanese stuff and how to be happy with your psychological stuff and also environmental problems. Please subscribe to join the herd and hit that bell to stay tuned. I am aiming at 100 subscribers by the end of November, so I'll be really appreciated if you could do so. Thank you. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. No particle is simply a modifier in between two nouns. Let's call it the first noun as noun A, second noun as noun B. No is usually in between those nouns. So if the no particle is in between those noun A, noun B, what it does is makes noun A modify what noun B is saying. Okay, so for example, 私の車 私の車 So I and car. I is modifying the car. Whose car is this? So it will be my car. And no can be used mainly as possessive usually. 私の車 私の犬 dog 私の家 house. Additionally, no can be used as the word of So let's take this example, Pirates of the Caribbean, which is my very favorite movie. Pirates of the Caribbean starts with Pirates of the Caribbean, right? So let's see, of can be replaced with no. So it'd be Pirates no Caribbean right now. Pirates no the Caribbean, sorry. In Japanese, it's reversed. The two nouns are reversed if there's of in the middle. So it'd be the Caribbean of pirates, which doesn't make sense in English, but let's translate it directly to Japanese. So the Caribbean, Karibu. No pirates, kaizoku. Karibu no kaizoku. Okay, here's the practice section prepared just for you. Let's translate Goblet of Fire. Yes, it's from the Harry Potter series. I think it's the fourth movie. So I have to tell you what goblet and fire is in Japanese, right? So goblet, goburetto, which is the same, and fire, hono. Okay, so you want to translate goblet of fire to Japanese. How do you do that? We have goblet of fire. And remember, you replace of with no, right? So goblet no fire right now. And you know, goburetto no hono right now, but it's not correct. It's not completely correct. What you do is just reverse, right? Reverse it. So hono goes to the front and goblet goes to the end. So tell me. 炎のゴブレット。炎のゴブレット。Okay? It's just reversed. It's not that difficult. Okay? So the goblet of fire is 炎のゴブレット。Okay? So going back to the possessive form. Now you know how to say my, right? 私の something. You can also say 私の, just 私の to say mine. So says whose car is this? And you say, 私の. That's mine. Okay? You might see sentences that no particle is continuously used. So for example, 私の友達のトムです. Let's see. So 私の my 友達の right? So we have friend, my friend, and we have no particle at the end. So and トム this, right? As it goes towards the end, the category is narrowing, if that makes sense to you. So 私の友達 my friend. We have my friend, right? I have like a friends perhaps, and you want to specify what friend you're talking about. So 友達の, you know, and somebody, right? 友達の modifying who specifically. Tom, which is Tom. This. Okay. Less detail in front, and as it goes to the end, towards the end, the detail gets more detailed. Okay, I hope that was very helpful for you, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join the herd and hit that bell to stay tuned. And I have an announcement for you. I teach at preply.com. I teach Japanese at preply.com. If you want to have lessons with me, it's conducted via online video call, just like Skype or Google Hangouts or a Zoom. If you want to have a lesson with me, I have a link in the description below, and here's Japanese playlist, language playlist. You can definitely check that out to help you get more familiar with Japanese language. Really enjoy teaching, and many of my students say they're very enjoying too. That's just one way. I'm just offering you to learn Japanese even more. And I will see you in the next video or in the lesson. Until next time.